Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today we will discuss something about our upcoming examination. Okay, I hope all of you are good. So, discuss some question from that chapter. Give me the answers. Okay, just answer. Give me different types of question. I will ask you. Which of the following is a hormone releasing intrauterine device? Which of the following a hormone releasing intrauterine device? Which of the hormone releasing by the intrauterine device? Anyone? Multiload 375, LNG 20, cervical cap, vault. Anyone? Which one? Multiload 375 or LNG 20, which one is the correct answer? Which hormone releasing by the intrauterine device IUD? Yes, thank you. And what is the full form of IUD? Anyone? Which of the full form of the IUD? Yes, intrauterine device. Which bacterium secretes butyric acid? Which bacterium secretes butyric acid? Which bacterium secrete butyric acid? Anyone? Clostridium butylicum. Okay, Clostridium. Okay, this bacterium secretes butylicum, secretes butyric acid. Which bacterium secretes citric acid, helps in the releasing of the citric acid? Which bacteria produces citric acid? Anyone? This type of short question is coming on your upcoming examination. Just concentrate on your class and try to give me the answer. You can get this type of question, not the same question, but this type of question is coming from all question are coming from your inside of the book. Okay, citric acid, aspergillus. Aspergillus. Okay, this type of bacterium secretes citric acid. What is the scientific name of the yeast? What is the scientific name of the yeast? Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Which bacterium helps in the production of the biogases? Which bacterium helps in the production of the biogases? The name of the bacterium which helps in the production of the biogas. Which gas produced during the production of the biogas? That is the name of that bacterium. Which bacterium helps, which type of or which group of bacterium helps in the production of the biogases? Yes, methane. And the bacterium which helps in the production of the biogases, that is called methanogen. Methanobacterium, methanogen. Which gases are produced during the production of the biogases? The name of the gases which produced during the production of the biogases. Which gases are produced during the production of the biogases? Which gases helps in the production of the biogases? Methane. The main gas that produced during the biogases production of biogases, that is carbon dioxide. Another one, hydrogen, methane. Okay, so these are the gases which produced during the biogases. Yes, methane, CO2, hydrogen. If there is the four option, which one is not present in the biogases? So methane, CO2, hydrogen, oxygen. Obviously you give the answer oxygen. Yes. Which bacteria is used during the production of the Bt cotton? That helps in the destroy the larvae of the insects, this type of. Which bacterium is helps in the production of the Bt cotton? Which bacterium helps in the production of the Bt cotton? Bt means Bacillus thuringiensis. This bacterium helps in the production of the Bt cotton, that is Bacillus thuringiensis. Yes, B thuringiensis. Tell me the name of the technique of transferring the ovum of a donor female into the fallopian tube of a recipient phylum is called which? GIFT, ZIFT, GIFT, ET, IUI. Now tell me the name of the transferring of the female ovum of the female to the donor female to the recipient. Yes, GIFT. Thank you. Which hormone is responsible for the ovulation and formation of the corpus luteum? Follicle stimulating hormone or luteinizing hormone, interstitial cell stimulating hormone or lutetropic hormone? The hormone responsible for ovulation and the formation of the corpus luteum. No. Wrong. Luteinizing hormone, LH. Which hormone responsible for the ovulation and formation of corpus luteum? That is luteinizing hormone, LH. What is mycorrhiza? Anyone? What is mycorrhiza? The symbiotic association of which two plants group? What is mycorrhiza? Yes, algae and fungi. That is mycorrhiza. Root of the not algae. Mycorrhiza is fungi with root of the higher plants. That is mycorrhiza. Fungal symbiotic association, okay? Fungi plus root of the plants, that is called mycorrhiza. Root and fungi, yes. How many different kinds of the gametes will be produced by a plant having genotype AA, BB, CC? 2, 3, 4 or 8? A, capital A. How many types of gametes produced? A, next BB, CC. How many types of gametes produced from these three types of the gametes? 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, 8 types. Okay. Mother and father of a person with blood group O. Okay, left that part. Tell me, morphine is produced. Sorry. From which parts of the plant or which chemical substances heroin is produced? Heroin is produced from which substances? By which process heroin is produced? By which process heroin is produced? Acetylation of morphine. Remind that acetylation process is the acetylation of morphine, okay? Heroin is produced. Which immunoglobulin is produced in the mother milk in the large amount? Which immunoglobulin is present in the mother milk? Which immunoglobulin? Yes, IgA. Give me one example of the autoimmune disease. Autoimmune disease. Any example of autoimmune disease? Give one example of the autoimmune disease. Is Graves' disease, rheumatoid arthritis, this type, rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, thank you. Which RNA polymerase enzyme is responsible for the transcription of tRNA? Which RNA polymerase is responsible for the transcription of tRNA or small snRNA, small nuclear RNA? Which RNA polymerase is responsible for the tRNA, snRNA? Which RNA polymerase is responsible for the transcription of the tRNA, small RNA, 5-snRNA? Which RNA polymerase is responsible for the tRNA, snRNA, transcription of tRNA, snRNA? Which enzyme, that is RNA polymerase 1, 2 or 3, which one is responsible for the transcription of the tRNA, snRNA? Three types of RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase 3 is responsible for the transcription of tRNA, snRNA. RNA polymerase II is responsible for the heterozygous nuclear hnRNA, and RNA polymerase I is responsible for the rRNA. Okay, remind these three RNA, the functions of the three RNA polymerase. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. 1 is responsible for the small rRNA, 2 is responsible for the hnRNA, and 3 is responsible for the snRNA, tRNA, 5 snRNA. Okay. A boy has a normal brother. Okay, a boy has a normal brother and a colorblind sister. Okay, a boy has a normal brother and a colorblind sister. What is the true about his parents? Okay, father is normal, mother is colorblind, or father is colorblind, mother is normal. Both father and mother are colorblind. Both mother and father are normal. A boy has a normal brother. Yes. Both. No. Mother. Listen to me carefully. A boy has a normal brother and colorblind sister. Yes, mother is the carrier. Yes, mother is responsible for that. Father is the colorblind and mother is carrier. Okay, then one is normal and another one is the colorblind. Okay, father is normal, mother is colorblind. Father is colorblind, mother is carrier. This option is the correct. Father is colorblind, mother is carrier. So that's why boy is the normal and sister is the colorblind. Both are colorblind, so both genes are transferring to their children. Okay, one is normal, so somehow someone is suppressed gene is present and someone expressed. Okay, trisomy of chromosomes 21 causes due to Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome, all of the three. Trisomy of chromosome 21 causes due to Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome for the both, or Turner syndrome. Which type of disorder? Trisomy of chromosome, yes, Down syndrome. Yes, Down syndrome. Thank you everyone. Color blindness is the autosomal disorders. Okay. Six, yes. Hemophilia is a Mendelian disorder, chromosomal disorder, both A or can be A or B, none of these. Hemophilia is a Mendelian disorder, chromosomal disorder, can be A or B, none of these. Hemophilia is a Mendelian disorder, chromosomal disorder, either A or either B, or in nothing. Anyone, hemophilia? Mendelian, yes. Sex determination in honeybee is by XY type, X0 type, ZW type, number of the sets of the chromosome. Sex determination in honeybee is by XY type, X0 type, ZW type, or number of sets of chromosome. Sex determination in honeybee is by XY. Which type of the sex determination occurs in the, yes, number of sets of chromosome. Yes, last option. Which cross is a traced cross? Which one is the traced cross? This one or if all. Which one is a test cross? Capital T small t into capital T small t, capital T small t into both are capital T, small capital T small t into small t, or everything, or all options. Which one is a test? No, this one. Number third. Yes, the third one. One is to 2:1 phenotype and genotype ratio is found in complementary genes, blending interference, complete dominance, multiple alleles. 1:2:1 phenotype and genotype ratio is found in complementary genes, blending interference, incomplete dominance, multiple alleles. Which one? 1:2:1 genotype you can find in the incomplete dominance, okay? MPTs are considered relatively safe up to 18 weeks of pregnancy, 15 weeks of pregnancy, 12 weeks of pregnancy, and 20 weeks of pregnancy. MPTs are considered relatively safe up to 18 days, 15 days, 12 days, or nothing, or 20 weeks, sorry, weeks. 18 weeks, 15 weeks, or 12 weeks, or 20 weeks. MPTs. Safe up to, yes, 12 weeks. Which is the component of the oral pills? Progesterone, oxytocin, relaxin, none of these. Which one is the components of the oral pills? Progesterone, oxytocin, relaxin, none of these. Which is the main components of the oral pills? Progesterone, oxytocin, relaxin or nothing? Yes, progesterone. By which family planning is currently popular? Family and child care, reproductive and child care, reproductive and child health care, reproductive and child health. Which of the family planning is a currently popular? Family and child care, reproductive and child care, reproductive and child health care, and reproductive and child health. Which is the correct family planning? Reproductive and child health care. Okay. Seminiferous tubule testes are lined with which type of cells? Germinal cells, only germinal cells, Sertoli cell, both A and C. Seminiferous tubules is made by which type of the cells? Germinal cells or totally made by the germinal cells, Sertoli cells or A or C? Germinal cells and Sertoli cells. What is the correct option? Yes, germinal cells and Sertoli cells, both. In the absence of the acrosome, the sperm cannot penetrate the egg, cannot get energy, cannot get food, cannot swim. What is the functions of the acrosome in the sperm? That is, cannot penetrate, it helps in the penetration of the eggs, or it gets energy to the sperm, or it cannot move or swim. Which one is the correct? Due to the acrosome, the sperm penetrate the egg's walls. Okay, without acrosome, the sperm cannot penetrate the egg. Yes, penetrate. In menstrual cycle, on which days does the progesterone level rise? In which days progesterone level rise in the menstrual cycle? 1 to 5 days, 6 to 14 days, 14 to 15 days, 15 to 28 days. In menstrual cycle, which days the progesterone level is high? 1 to 5 days, 6 to 14 days, 14 to 15 days, 15 to 28 days. Yes, 15 to 28 days. Okay, so read your chapter very carefully. This type of question and another so many question is coming from your inside of the book. Nothing worried about that. You are able to give your answer. So practice more and more. Okay, bye everyone. Don't worry, and best of luck for your examination, everyone. Thank you very much. Bye bye.